I think you need, the core of the company needs to be involved. You need to have the product development people there to understand what is happening and why it's happening. Building and changing the way they develop products, choose materials. You need to have the supply chain people there so they understand how this will affect the work they're doing and how they can adapt, but also leverage the new opportunities that comes up with the circular business model. Definitely the retail people. So they need to be on board. You don't want them fighting against you in the end. You want them to be your partner, and you want them to want it, and finding out new sales models, finding out new models within the circular space. And then you need the CFO or the finance people with you, because there will be a shift in investment in the company. You need to invest in your cash flow when you move into the leasing or rental space, moving from just buying and selling. In the beginning, it's not that much, but if it starts to grow, if the consumers like it, of course, you need to make sure that you have those investments ready to do it. So for me, it's the core of the company. You need the product development, supply chain, retail, and the finance people in there.